Hey guys, I'm Tang with FAF Airsoft, and today's video is going to be about the top things that people get wrong about airsoft guns. First, if you like what we're doing, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our current content. Sign up for the bell notification for new videos and so on. We really enjoy what your feedback is, and we like making these videos for you, so please help us out by doing that. Okay, on to the video. So, as we get a lot of new players coming to the store or emailing us about their airsoft guns, sometimes we get some really funny ones that come in that are kind of like head scratchers for us, because some people liken the real guns to the airsoft guns and how they function, and sometimes those functions don't translate over. So here's some of those fun ones that we encounter that a lot of people get wrong. It's not springy. There, black paint. Here's where we're screwed up there. Or that's a no. 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 That's not how that works. All right, guys, that does it for us today. Hopefully you found some of these entertaining. I know when we run into customers who have these kind of questions, it's often fun for us to teach new players all the time about the sport and how the equipment functions. So once again, thank you for watching. And if you really want to help us out, be sure to refer us to your friends, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow our channel. I am Tang from FAF Airsoft. I will see you guys later.